you've ever tried to start a YouTube channel, but every video feels like you're talking to an empty room? No views, no growth, just frustration. Well, you're not alone. Most beginners struggle, not because they're not putting in the effort, but because they're following advice that no longer works. Posting more videos won't help. Hoping the algorithm magically picks you up, that is a guaranteed way to stay unnoticed. The truth, the fastest growing channels in 2025 are not lucky, they are intentional. They know exactly how to attract viewers, keep them engaged, and signal YouTube that their content deserves to be recommended. So if I had to start a brand new channel today, 0 subscribers, no fancy gears, no experience, here's exactly what I would do step by step. And come closer, this isn't the usual be consistent or follow your passion advice. This is a proven strategy that I personally have tested out. But here's where most people go wrong. There is one critical mistake that holds new channel back before they even gain traction. If you don't fix this early, you can spend months creating content without seeing real progress. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to start your channel the right way and avoid the biggest mistakes that stop beginners from growing. So if you're serious about making YouTube work for you, grab a notebook, stay on to the end, and let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right niche the smart way. The first and most important decision when starting a YouTube channel is picking the right niche. Now, many beginners get this wrong by picking a topic based purely on personal interest without checking if there's actually an audience for it. YouTube is both a search engine and a recommendation platform. If people are not actually looking for or engaging with the content to your niche, growth will be difficult no matter the effort you put in. So how do you actually pick the right niche? Number 1, find a niche with both demand and opportunity. Not all YouTube niches are equal. Some are oversaturated while some have low interest. The goal is to find a balance, a place where people are actively watching videos, but there's still room for new creators to succeed. Here's how to validate your niche ideas. Step number 1, research existing channels. Look at channels in your potential niche and check if they are growing. Step number 2 on how to validate your niche ideas, analyze growth trends. And the final step on how to validate your niche ideas, test for search demand. Go to YouTube search and type keywords related to your niche, and if YouTube auto suggest search terms, it means that people are actively searching for those topics. You can also leverage on Google Trends to see if interest in your niche is growing or declining. Step number 2, in choosing the right niche the smart way, avoid overly competitive niches. Certain niches are so competitive that breaking through as a new creator is nearly impossible unless you have a unique angle when starting out as a new creator in that niche. Number 3, in choosing the right niche the smart way, use data to find profitable topics. Guesswork is the enemy. You should always use data to check if a niche has monetization potential and, most importantly, audience demand. Number 4, in choosing the right niche the smart way, test your niche before committing. A huge mistake that most new YouTubers make is choosing a niche and committing to it without testing it first. Instead of blindly picking a niche and uploading dozens of videos, start with a test phase. Create 10 to 20 videos on different topics within your niche. See which videos get the most traction, pay attention to comments, then double down on what performs best. Now we have successfully talked about the first step I'm going to take if I want to start a YouTube channel. Now let's take a look at the second step I'm going to take if I want to start YouTube all over again. Creating videos that actually get clicked. You could have the most valuable content, but if no one clicks on your video, it won't reach its full potential. That is why thumbnails and titles are just as important as the video itself, if not more crucial. Think about it. Will you click on your own video if you showed up on your recommendations? Leave sentiment aside and answer this question honestly. If your answer is maybe or no, it is time to improve on your clickability. Here's how to create thumbnails that attract attention and encourage viewers to click your videos without misleading tactics. Your thumbnail is the first thing that viewers notice. If it doesn't stand out, they'll scroll past it. Here's how to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Number 1, keep it clear and simple. Avoid too much text, crowded designs, or tiny details. Thumbnails should be instantly understandable in just one glance. That is number 3 points. Step 3, the first 30 seconds matters more than you think. If your video doesn't capture attention right away, people will move on before they even get to the good parts. The first few seconds set the tone, whether some will stay or some will leave. Now here's how to make sure they stay. Number 1, get straight to the point. One of the biggest mistakes, starting slow. Number 2, set clear expectations. Some people stop watching because they are not sure what's coming next. Step 4, how to keep viewers watching to the end, retention strategy. It's not enough to get someone to click on your video, you need to keep them watching. The longer they watch, the more likely YouTube will recommend your videos. So how do you actually keep people engaged from start to finish? Here's what I'll do. First step, use pattern interrupts. People lose attention quickly. To keep their attention, change things every few seconds. background. This could be a quick zoom in, pop-up animation, a new angle, or even adding text to the screen. This small shift resets the viewer's attention and keep the video feeling dynamic. Ask open-ended questions. Involve your audience. Don't just talk at them, talk with them. Now, for example, have you ever felt like your videos are just not reaching the right audience? You see, you might want to answer that question. Maybe you as feel part of the conversation, they are more likely to stay. This is what's coming next. That way, they'll stay to the end of the video to get that information. Step number 5, how to start earning on YouTube even without 1,000 subscribers. A lot of beginners believe that you cannot earn anything from YouTube until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, but that's not true. The other way to turn your YouTube channel into an income stream even before you qualify for the YouTube Partners program. Here's how. Number 1, affiliate partnership. You can recommend tools, apps, or products that you genuinely use and trust. You can create and sell your own resources. This can be ebooks, video guides, templates. Number 2, personalized coaching session. Your YouTube content builds trust and people may even want to learn more from you. Number 3, partnership and sponsored content. You don't need to be a huge creator to collaborate with brands. Small creators in specific niches can land deals and promotions with different companies who basically want to reach that focused audience. If you provide value and a clear message, brands will pay attention. Finally, community support. Some creators use platforms like Patreon or channel membership to give loyal viewers exclusive content, behind the scenes session, or early videos, all in exchange for support. The key here is simple: build trust, offer value, and help your viewers solve a problem. When you do that, the income opportunities will naturally flow. Let's talk about the one thing that quietly limits most new channels, and it's not what you think. Most new creators focus too much on what they want to make instead of what viewers are looking for. They upload videos based on their interests without asking, is there an audience for this? Does this solve a problem? Answer a real question or provide real entertainment. Now listen to me, YouTube is not about you, it is about your audience. If a complete stranger wouldn't click your video, share it with a friend, watch it to the end, you won't grow. Here is the mindset that changes everything. Think like a viewer, not a creator. Every time you make a video, ask yourself, why would someone click on this? Why would they keep watching? Why would they come back for more? The second mindset, look at already what is working. Study channels in your niche. Pay attention to the video which are performing well and why. It is not about copying, it's about understanding what people are replying to. The third mindset, focus on service, not just self-expression. When you switch from what do I want to make to what will help, entertain, or teach my audience. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and let me know one thing that you've picked or learned from this video. Please type one thing that you've learned from this video. Type it down in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to share this video to a friend if you found it valuable. Alright, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay winning, also stay consistent, and do not give up. So guys, see you in the next video. Cheers.